Welcome to day number 17 of the 30-day Shiba buying challenge. Yes, Shiba, we're up 50% of the day. That's why we started this challenge. Well, that's one reason why I started this challenge, to prepare for liftoff. And if I go back to the captain spreadsheet, I added some information on here in terms of average buying price, today's price, total value, and the profit is what's going on. So we've made $343 so far in the profit in the Shiba buying challenge. Just buying Shiba every day as low as $18, $20. So let's go ahead and continue buying it today. $1,700 a portfolio of the Shiba. And let's go ahead and go through this right now. So let me go. Now, $1,700 is not all through the challenge because we had some Shiba there before we started this challenge. So really the average is really $107. It really should be what you should see there, what you see there. So let me go back over here and we're gonna buy Shiba. We're gonna buy the Shiba. We're gonna buy the Shiba. How much should we buy? You know, today we're gonna be a little conservative today. We're gonna buy $25 worth today. And we're not really buying a lot, to be honest with you guys. 25, and this is what we have right here, 519,000 Shiba. And as that's loading in here, we're gonna move this to 17 because 17 days. So we're gonna move this to 17, this number here, our equation. Move that to 17 because it's the 17th day. And we'll go back to the continue. Congratulations to everybody who's got Shiba. I'm sure you're excited right now, and I'm sure you're excited right now. So let me go ahead and see what the process right now. The view transactions. Let's go ahead and do this. And we'll take this here. Take it here, take it here, take it here. And we put it at so. And see if we bought $25. We have not bought $25 worth before. And we're not really buying that much. You know, $23.51 worth of Shiba. And, well, actually, we have bought $25 worth. I see them here. See it right there. So $1.49 is the fees. The fees are low. And then we'll take this here. Take that here. Put that here. Now it's going to move my average, my dollar cost average a little bit higher, but that's fine. That's fine. It's going to move my dollar cost average a little bit higher than it was just yesterday, but that's fine. So my dollar cost average went up a little bit. It seems like it, $28, $28.94, which is still not bad. Remember, today's prices is $43.17 or $43.38, I should say. So let me go ahead and change that. $43.38 to be accurate. So really, I mean, we're still $349 in profit, and an average buying price is still very low from what the price is right now. And so that's really, really good. And we have this amount of Shiba in here, 27 million Shiba as well. Let me see, make sure the portfolios, everything is working perfectly fine. Let's see, total value. Let's see if this is right. Let me see, make sure I got this. Yep, everything is correct. Everything's correct in here. And so let me go ahead and tweet this out. Yes, day number 17 of 30 Shiba buying challenge is complete. And we have it right here. We just bought it on the 24th. And if you look at our stats, we've been buying this every day since the 8th. Really been buying it since the 5th. But we've been tracking it since the 8th that you see right there. All right, guys, we are in the books. Day number 17, the day 30-day buying challenge, 30-day Shiba buying challenge is in the books, October 24th, and we'll be back for another day. Day number 18th, that will be on the Monday. Let me go back and look at this again. We're up profit of $346 just by buying Shiba every day. I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait to see you again. And of course, if you want to get to the Shiba buying challenge, click on the link below of the Coinbase.com or the eToro. Get excited, get Shiba, and I'll see you later.